Hello everyone, welcome to Art for Life channel. So first of all, it's Father's Day. A big Father's Day wish to all. Wish you all a great day and hope you can give very wonderful gifts to your father. And this is one of our plan to give a wonderful painting. So guys, it's 100 subscribers for our channel. That's a great achievement. It may be a small milestone, but a big shout out to you guys. Thank you all. You guys are the strength of our channel. Keep supporting, keep watching. Let's learn together. Others, please subscribe guys. Let's have a wonderful journey. So let's do our work for today. So let's start with the composition step. Let's make a very quick small detail for our step with pencil. Maybe you can go very light. Just I'm quickly making the main skeleton of our drawing. So here I'm drawing the sun, so I'm not using any compass or coin or anything. So try not to use anything, just draw with the hand, little bit not circular, no issue guys, let it be there. So I'm erasing all the unwanted lines and maybe I'll be little darkening the lines for you. Maybe you guys can leave it out, okay? So since we are going to color it, so there is no need to make these lines too dark. So only thing is it should be just visible for you. So I am darkening the lines so that our young artists can see it and they can understand. So quickly let's start the coloring, and I'm starting with blue. So don't think you need to take only the red shades or yellow shades. I'm just giving a little blue and then blending in with violet, then moving on to a little bit of rose color. So in this step I'm not putting a lot of emphasis, I'm just making the base of the painting. So I'm leaving out a lot of gaps. So I'm using the red color. Guys, maybe the color I'm using is not popping out as much as I expected. So especially the red and orange looking a little bit towards the brown side, not so bright. Maybe you guys have different types of red, use that. So I'm using the dark red and now orange and now coming to yellow. So close to the sun, try to use very light colors, maybe lemon yellow, chrome yellow, blend in all the colors, right? That's main thing here. So now I am blending the yellow with orange and red, which we already given earlier. Now I'm giving the second layer of the colors. Earlier I was not giving very thick coloring. Now let's add some clouds guys. Clouds makes it really dynamic. The sky looks dynamic when it has some clouds. So it depends on you what type of clouds and how many clouds. So today I like it to be very cloudy, so I may be giving more clouds here. So it depends on you. You can give your type of clouds. It's your wish guys. So I'm giving kind of lengthy clouds. So also my plan is to draw it little dark sky. So it's towards the end of the sunset somewhat. So it's a little bit cloudy, so I'll be adding more clouds. That's my plan. So in this yellow region I'm giving some more clouds, and I'm giving a little bit clouds with the dark blue too. So if you don't like too many clouds, you can avoid it, or if you have any specific pattern of clouds you like, you can add it. So I'm giving a little bit even light blue. So you can add any shades guys at this time. Every colors pop up in the sky, so you can try out everything. So now I'm giving little dark clouds too. Maybe it's kind of a very cloudy day with a lot of dark clouds. So maybe a little bit giving a lot of dark clouds. Maybe if you guys want, you can avoid it. So guys, just giving some more dark clouds here. So if you don't like too much black clouds or very dark clouds, maybe you can avoid, but drawing it. Let's make the sky more dynamic, guys. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I think sky, especially don't draw with the straight lines or something. As you know, I think the previous video also we have learned to draw sky a little bit, how to draw a tree. So you can check out that video also. So we are coloring the sky is a little darker and filling out the areas which we left out. So, and even I'm giving a little bit clouds with even brown color too. So you can try out all this. So give as much clouds as possible. And I'm trying to give some blending of the brown and the black. Dark clouds. So now we are coming to the sun. So that's very important, guys. So just started off with a little yellow and then blend in with little orange and a dark red. So here, as I said earlier, colors here I think it's not popping up much, so I'm blending in with a little yellow finish of the sun. Now we're coming to the next, the silhouette region, or the total blackout region, where we'll be using just the black color pencil. So basically, guys, just fill out the outline which we draw. So here we are planning to draw only the like a silhouette. So we are not going to give any shade or anything, just fill out with black. So use the very dark black pencil which you have, just filling out. So especially we left out very big area for the hill, so there will be filling with black, and you can utilize this hill area fully to write your good Father's Day messages. So maybe you can use whitener or white acrylic or some little lighter colors or even yellow to write out your message. So that's why we left out a lot of area with black, especially the hill area. And now we are drawing the father and the kid here. So be very careful drawing this one. Try to draw the outline and then fill in. That should be an easy way to do it. So here if you make more mistake, it should be a little difficult to erase it. So other thing here, I'm drawing a father and a boy here. Maybe guys you can draw father and a girl child, or maybe the whole family too sometimes, or father and kid and pet. So here I'm drawing a father and son, and son is holding a balloon. So you can do based on your wish, and if you're a girl you can draw a girl child, and child with a toy or teddy bear or whatever. So use your creativity. So that's the main part here. So all the region will be already filled with black. Just giving a little more details, grass and other things. And now I'm giving some details for the leaves. So guys, previous video we have learned how to draw the tree. Maybe you can have a look at that one too. So here I'm not drawing a tree like that with a lot of leaves. Especially giving very less leaves. I don't want to hide our sky too much. So try to give very less leaves here. And the other best part, we like give some birds, a little bit of birds here and there. Now I'm just doing the patch up here and there, finishing up the areas which have some white marking and all. So guys, try it out. I guess it's going to be very creative, and if you give this gift to your father, he will definitely like it, guys. So guys, Father's Day wishes to you all again. Hope all of you will try it out and gift your father. And those who are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, stay with us and join our journey. Let's learn together, guys. Let's learn some arts together and inspire others too. So thank you for watching, and more videos are coming up. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you. See you again. Bye.